Today I'm going to teach you how to make one of my favorite things to eat. My Chaza style, Mama Cooks with Love style, Mexican Venice Beach yummy rice. Okay, here's what we need. 2 cups of white rice, rinsed and dried. 1 tomato, chopped up. 1 cup of frozen mixed veggies, any mixture you like. This happened to be soup mixture and it has a little bit of potato, whatever you find at the store. Half a white onion, 1 of those mini peppers. I just happen to have a little orange one, and 1/4 of jalapeno with 1 chopped clove of garlic. Salt to taste, olive oil, and with each cup of rice, I usually do 1.5 cups to 1 3/4 of water. All right, we'll start with olive oil. Getting scared. Onion mixer and my rice. Oh, I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. We're gonna fry the rice until it's really nice and each little grain is separate from the other and we're no longer afraid that they might stick. And look at the rice, it's so delicious. All right, now I'm gonna add my tomatoes. We're gonna do 4 cups of water. And about a tablespoon of salt. When the water evaporates and there's those little tiny bubbles, we're gonna turn it down and cover it up. Until then, I'm just gonna clean up and I'll see you soon. It's been about 13 minutes and at this point, the rice has absorbed most of the water. So at this point, we're gonna lower the heat. Cover it up. If you could see all these teensy bubbles, you could still see it, but no water. All right, so cover, lower, and we're gonna go for about 10 to 11 more minutes. It's been about 13 minutes. Now we're gonna add our defrosted vegetables. Fresh, if you like that, whatever you have. And I'm gonna lower the heat. Cover it up, and in about 10 to 12 minutes we should have really delicious Mexican Venice Beach style fluffy delicious veggie rice. We have our rice. It's been 10 minutes so far. Oh, it looks so good and fluffy and delicious and springy. I wish you could smell that. I'm a little bit scared. It's really hot. Okay. The moment of truth. Really good. Try it, let me know how you like it. Hit a like, subscribe, help out a girl, and love, light, and blessing. I'll see you later. Bye.